How to sell on eBay for beginners 2026. To sell on eBay as a beginner in 2026, first of all, go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice. Then head to the ebay.com. Now, once you head to the official site, all you have to do is go ahead and log into your account. Then, while you are registering for an account, you simply have to choose a personal account and switch to a business account only if you have registered legal entity and inventory bulk stock. And then proceed to link the checking bank. To receive payouts, you must link a traditional checking account under the payment settings. Then proceed to submit your ID. Upload a clear photo of your driver's license or government ID when prompted in your seller hub to instantly pass automated identity checks and avoid immediate payout holds. And also research and source your inventory. Start at home. The safest way to learn the platform without financial risk is by listing unneeded household items like old video games, clothing, or electronics. Then analyze the sold data and also create a perfect listing by taking a clean photos, write a searchable titles, and fill out the item specifics. Also choose a pricing structure such as buy it now or auction, and ship your orders promptly. You simply have to secure your package. You simply have to pack securely and buy labels on eBay and drop it off at your local carrier. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.